Yeah, I should be in this one.
Hold on.
Quinn,
Get it out of the box.
remember, whose birthday?
Is it?
Whose birthday?
Dada.
No.
Let's give this to
Whose
Wesley. Hold on, buddy. Hold on.
birthday?
Let's give it to Wesley.
What does that say on it, Quinn? Turn it over. Quinny, turn it over. What does it say?
Here you go, Wes. Maybe.
Hold on. What does this say?
A pin.
What is it? Whose name?
A queen.
No, whose name? It's Wes. Whoa, what is it? Quinny? Quinn Reiter. Okay, Eric.
Quinn, it's Wes's birthday.
It's for everyone to share, but it's...
You can share. What is it?
Whose birthday, Quinn? No, it's not Quinn's birthday. It's not Quinn's present. It's Wes's, but I'm sure he'll share.
He's gonna share with you.